Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could take a look. Click the link down below. Check them out. And if you like this keyboard today, I'm going to show you guys. Add it to your cart. Check out really fast so they could ship this to you guys fast. And this is coming from TBI Pro X64 Ultimate Gaming Keyboard. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for watching. So look at this, guys. RGB black lighting, 25 anti-ghost keys, 8 multimedia buttons. I already got it set up. Clicky keys with optimized technical feel. Ooh, got that. And then this is the back. This is a gaming USB, 10 million times keycaps lifetime. It's a lot of typing. Keycap travel, 0.12. ABS, 5'9" feet. Cable, 5'9", 2 pounds. Here's system requirements: Windows 10, Mac, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP. Whoa. Oh yes. TBI Pro function. F1s, there's a top 4 is the multimedia. We'll go over to my computer and show you guys. And it also comes with a good old user manual, but it's pretty simple. I just gotta figure out the ghosting commands and all that good stuff. So here she is. TBI Pro. We got the num lock already going. Oops. There we go. Get that off. Here's a nice little resting spot. Nice little glow right here. Now this is orange. It doesn't glow, but it looks like it is. So that's pretty cool. We got the night light here. You can turn it off, turn it on. See, the other keyboards use hit FN and INS. But, oh. It is flashing. Alright. Cool. See it? It's like a heartbeat. There it is. And we got clean the screen. Make sure you guys clean it. There we go. We got the multimedia functions up there. Play, rewind, fast forward, stop, hammer time. We got the home arrow keys there. We got this section right here. The numbers. Down here. Windows, Alt, Control, Alt, Delete. And back here, they got the kickstands. So that's why it's more levitated. That's my old one. It did its good job, but this looks a lot nicer. Yeah, I do type fast in real life, but I'm just trying to get the feel. Yeah, I'm liking this. Shouldn't get as dirty. Like, there's not really much in between the cracks, so shouldn't get that dusty. Right here. Nice color though. I like the metal black. The gunmetal. It's matted. Really nice job though. I wish it was wireless, but hey, it will do. Especially for here. I got the desk set up and everything. Nice curves right there. So, rocking and rolling, guys. And all you gotta do, if you guys want one, click the link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out. I think these are under 40 bucks. So, great deal for a great keyboard, guys. TBI Pro Engineering. Here we go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good day, and hopefully see you guys soon. See ya.